You might have seen these robots dancing in some YouTube videos, or maybe these robots which are making perfect coffee for you. Have you ever thought how these robots are working? You might have guessed it right. This is the power of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is just a term, but its use cases and branches are huge. Several years back, you might have heard about this term like machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, etc. But over past few years, you must be just listening about a single term, that is AI. And that is because the use cases that have been developed over the years. Just think about few years back how you used to write an email to your friend or to your manager. You must be writing like hi, the person name, and you would be writing the content. This is the email for something something. But now with the power of generative AI, which is one of the use cases of artificial intelligence, has changed the world. Let's suppose this is the email that I'm sending to one of the merchants from whom I have bought a customized t-shirt, but I want to raise an official complaint because of its quality and fit issue. In 2026, I would not write an email like this. I would simply give the context to ChatGPT or some other AI tool which can help me writing a professional email. I would simply paste that email here and I would write rephrase above email in professional way. This is nothing but the power of generative AI that within few seconds it has written this email. You can copy here and paste it on your Gmail or any other email account. So how you can understand AI is it is simply a technology which is making computers and machines to act intelligently, which would require human intelligence. As I mentioned earlier, AI has different branches. Few of them are listed on the screen, which are the main ones. Talking specifically about generative AI, it is one of those prominent use cases which has done disruption in the industry. This is because, based on the natural language prompts of the users, it can generate images, videos, texts, sounds, songs, etc. Due to which the variety of use cases have expanded over different industries. We can call generative AI as the intersection of machine learning and natural language processing. I'm saying this because as we give natural language prompts to AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or others, that is nothing but the one of the branch of AI that's natural language processing, which is processing the user input and giving it to the models of machine learning, which is scanning different data in the backend and giving the output to you. If you haven't already, try one of the use cases on Claude, ChatGPT, or other AI tools, such as generating an image, video, or simply writing an email. And why don't you tell in the comments that which AI tool worked best for you?